YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to do a room review of the Starlight Suite in the Signia Hotel by Hilton. This is the new hotel next to the Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta, Georgia. Like I said, this is a suite, so I want to start off when you first walk in the door. To your left, you're greeted with a bathroom with automatic lights. This is your sink. They give you lotion, hand wash, towels. You got lights on both sides of the mirror. Okay, so as you walk out, you have your living area. Have a nice, L-shaped sofa. Kind of a swivel chair. Placed like a little table. So your view on this side, you have downtown Atlanta. The World Congress Center is over there. I try to get a better shot in the daytime so you can see it better. So it's a 65-inch TV over here. Have a nice lamp. On this side, more downtown Atlanta. Like again, I will get you a better shot in the morning time. So over here you have a sink, coffee maker, ice holder, light switch. For this, they give you water, coffee, tea, cups, coffee maker, have a plug in here. Have an HVAC control for your living area over here. As we walk into the bedroom, I believe this is a king size bed. So to start off, have a slimline telephone, remote control, QR code for I think your room service. You got 2 plug-ins and 2 USB-A ports here. You have reading lights on both sides of the beds. You cut them on and off here. As we move over, like I said earlier, reading light. You have 2 plug-ins, 2 USB-A ports. This is a drawer. Have a lounge chair against the window. Cut this light on. Have a small end table. Additional plug-ins here. So you can get your view here. As we move over, I think that's a 65-inch TV there. You do have 2 plug-ins, 2 USB ports, and then your ambient lighting around your TV is cut on here. So this is what it looks like with the ambient lighting on behind your TV. Have additional desk chair, a long desk here. Your in-room safe is in your drawers over here. Another additional lamp. And here you have a pretty decent sized closet. I don't know if you can see it. It does come with a steamer, your hangers, additional shelving. As we move into the second bathroom, you have his and her sinks, towels, extra toilet tissue, motion sensing lights, additional plug-ins, hand wash, body lotion, magnified mirror, additional plug-in with some tissue, have a full-length body mirror, and a walk-in shower. Nice mat. They also supply shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. And then you have another bathroom here with motion sensor lighting. And then your HVAC control for your bedroom is over here. So that is the suite at the Signia Hotel. For more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, something I forgot to show you guys last night in the room review. So it is a mini fridge in here, and it's unstocked. So you can bring your own food and store it in here. And now I want to give you a view of, well, a view of our view in the daytime. So this is our view in the morning time. I think last time I said that was the Georgia World Congress Center over there. That's the State Farm Arena, Atrium. I don't know what they call it now. This is the Georgia World Congress Center here. It's kind of a cloudy morning here in Atlanta. So let me show you the view from this window.